Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.3 question number 7. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance would it cover using 2 whole 3 by 4 liters of petrol? Right. Here we'll solve in this way that distance covered in 1 liter of petrol. Liter of petrol. That is equal to 16 km 16. Distance covered in distance covered in 2 whole 3 by 4 liters of petrol. Here you see that 1 liter in 1 liter the car travels 16 kilometer. 16 kilometer. Therefore, in 2 liter it will cover 16 into 2 kilometer. In 3 liter it will cover 16 into 3 kilometer. Right? Therefore, in 2 whole 3 by 4 liters it will cover 16 into 2 whole 3 by 4 kilometer. Right? That means we have to multiply this with 16. Right? Therefore, distance covered in 1 liter petrol is 16 kilometer. Therefore, distance covered in 2 whole 3 by 4 liters of petrol is equal to 16 into 2 whole 3 by 4 kilometer. If we solve this, that we are getting 16 into, it is a mixed fraction, multiply this number with this and add with the numerator. That is 2 4 is 8 plus 3 11. 11 by 4 kilometer. If we change into lowest term, 4 1 is 4, it is 4 4 is 16. That is 4 11 is 44 kilometer. Right? Therefore, distance covered in 2 whole 3 by 4 liters of petrol is 44 kilometers. That is the answer. Therefore, you can write, therefore, how much distance will it cover using 2 whole 3 by 4 liters of petrol? Therefore, it will cover, you can write, it will cover 44 kilometer. It will cover 44 kilometer. 44 kilometer using 2 whole 3 by 4 liters of petrol. Liters of petrol, and this is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.